My name is Shannon Burch. I'm a kitchen and bath designer with Henry Kitchen and Bath, and I love what I do. I love to make people's spaces comfortable, pretty, and aesthetically pleasing. I love to make a space function better. I love to help with storage, and I love to make a space feel warm and inviting and friendly. I like to have fun on my initial consultation. I want to sit down, I want to get to know you, your family, and how you want to use that space. I want to know, what is going to make you the most comfortable. One of my favorite things to do is when I'm defining someone's style is to stand in front of a faucet wall and let them choose the faucet that speaks to them. So, you can tell a lot about a person's design preferences by looking at the lines that they selected, whether they're a traditional curvy faucet or something that's a little bit more masculine and straight. And that helps me guide the customer into maybe a coordinating vanity or tub or some really great pieces for a shower. I think that it's important that the space is something that feels right to you.